What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this video I want to show you a step-by-step way for you to start trading exactly how I trade. I'm going to show you the platforms and softwares that I use, but not just that, I'm going to show you guys my current strategy that I'm using today to trade. If you guys don't know who I am, my name's Colt Mosdef. I do have Instagram. There is a link in my description, and I offer one-on-one mentorship if you are looking for that. If you need someone to just be with you on a Zoom call to break down their strategy and every little thing that they use to trade, I now offer one-on-one mentorship. The only way to apply, though, is to book a call with me in the link in the description. So just go to that link below. You can fill out your information, choose a date and time to get on a phone call with me, and we'll just see where you're at as a trader and what you really need help with. Now, without further ado, let's get in my computer. So I don't know where you guys are at as traders, but I kind of just want to go over the softwares right off the bat and show you guys what you need to actually start trading today. So I do use TradingView, and this is actually where I am trading. I don't trade Forex anymore. I am now strictly futures, trading NQ, the NASDAQ. We have YM, the Dow Jones, and ES, the SP500. I'm trading indices. So you guys probably already trading that if you do. And if you don't already trade at all, I'm going to show you what you guys need to do in order to start trading. So you guys need to go to TradingView and you need to go and create your account. Now the next thing that you guys need to do after you get TradingView is Tradeovate. Now Tradeovate is actually where we're going to trade our money. This is our broker. So broker, you can think of it as a bank account. You're going to go and put, let's say, $2,000 into this account right here. And then you're going to do all your trading. That's where you're going to go to TradingView. You can see on my chart right here, I have these buy and sell buttons. I have the trade tab right here. So I have other videos that will go into that. But guys, you need to go to Tradeovate. You need to sign up, create an account with them. And then once you're done doing that, you're actually going to link it to TradingView, and that's where you're going to do your trading. And like I mentioned, guys, I do have other videos. I have a video on my channel that's called How to Start Trading Futures as a Beginner. And we'll go more in depth with Tradeovate and how to actually connect those accounts so it makes more sense for you guys. So we have Tradeovate. Then we have TradeZella. Now, I started using TradeZella a couple of months ago, and TradeZella is basically a trading journal. So instead of you writing down in a notebook all the trades you took and all that stuff, this software right here, it gives you all your trading data. You guys can see we have a journal, analytics, notebook, reporting, backtesting, replay, playbook. This is kind of like what it looks like. What I really like about TradeZella is they have this dashboard right here where there's a calendar. It will tell you every day your profit or loss, your weeks. You can actually go and see your win rate, all the days you took a winning trade, a losing trade. There's just so much data on here that will help you perform better as a trader. So those are the three softwares. Now let's actually get into the chart right here. So I am looking right now on YM. This is the Dow Jones. When I'm trading, guys, I'm on lower time frames like the 1 minute, 5 minute, and 15. Now, when we're looking at these different time frames right here, the 15 minute is just telling us that every candle represents 15 minutes of time. And we do have an expiration window right here. We can see in 9 minutes and 16 seconds, this candle will close and a new candle will open up. And the same thing applies for the 5 minute. Every candle represents 5 minutes of time. We have our little window right here to tell us when our next candle is going to close and the new one is going to open. So the reason as to why I like trading on lower time frames is because it gives me data so much quicker. Guys, the patterns in the market that you guys see, they occur on every freaking time frame. But the duration of your trades is going to be much shorter and much smaller when you guys are trading on a time frame like the 1 minute time frame. So you could see the same setup right here on the 1 minute time frame is on the hour time frame, and this setup can go to our TP, let's say, within 5 minutes. On the 1 hour time frame, it would take 5 hours. Why would I go and trade on a higher time frame when I could get data way quicker? And a lot of traders out there, they'll say, oh, the 1 minute time frame is too emotional, it's too erratic. No, you put that story in your head and you have unconsciously made yourself believe it. It's a lie you told yourself where you don't have any factual evidence to back it up. So guys, these lower time frames, that's what you guys want to be trading on. When it comes to your pairs, you want to be looking at YM. If you are a struggling trader or you're just looking to enhance your trading, Reward Over Risk University is my top selling program. If you guys go to RORFX.com, you guys will be able to look over the website and see if you are eligible if you want to join this program. I have put my blood, sweat, and tears into this program, and everything on here is all updated information. For a one-time fee, guys, of $2,500, you will get 3 Zoom calls with me, each 30 minutes long, and they will be recorded. I'll add you to my private Telegram community. You'll get access to 45 plus videos that you have lifetime access to, and more videos will be added. Lifetime access, like I said, and you guys will have your own login portal and 24/7 support. If you guys want to get involved, once again, go to RORFX.com, click buy now, and instead of it being $2,500, go right here and type in trade 1, and you guys will be able to get it for only $1,500. This is only going on for the next week. So if you want to get in at $1,500, go to RORFX.com and you will be able to sign up. I have ES right here, and then I have NQ. I actually prefer NQ to trade because NQ, I'm telling you guys, the NASDAQ, it just has the cleanest setups all the time. And I want to really spot out something to you guys. When you guys are trading, the first thing that you want to be doing is looking at the trend. You guys want to find a smooth trend. Now you guys can see in the markets today, they are kind of choppy. It's going down, then pushing up, then down, up, and back and forth, just all over the place. Guys, you don't want to be trading when the markets are choppy like that. It's just too much is going on. The way that I look at the markets is I want to be able to identify my setup very, very clearly. I don't want to have to guess. And the cool thing about trading versus gambling is we have way more probabilities that are in our favor versus with gambling, it's just guessing. You're going in and out of the casino, on the roulette table, blackjack. Guys, trading allows you to have way more probabilities. But the biggest thing that I've realized with traders is they experience a lack of self-control. So once you start to look outward and you start to understand, okay, if I truly want to be a successful trader, I have to do the work on myself. Yeah, there's the part where you look at the charts, you do the back testing, all that stuff. But guys, you have to work on yourself non-stop because your everyday habits and your lifestyle are a reflection, or actually I should say this, your results as a trader are a reflection of your everyday habits. That's the fucking truth right there. Whether you guys want to hear it or not, it's the truth. Because how you do one thing is how you do everything. If you have no self-discipline in your diet, why would you all of a sudden have self-discipline in your trading? Are you just a completely different human being when it comes to trading versus your diet? No. How you do one thing is how you do everything. So if you start to observe your everyday habits and you're like, do you know what? I've noticed that I'm really impatient when I'm sitting in traffic. Like I'm honking my horn, I'm getting mad at people. But I do that impatient thing in my trading as well. Okay, so maybe I should start working on myself and my road rage and fix that. And maybe it'll correlate with my trading as well. That's why so many people can't conquer the markets, because they haven't yet conquered themselves. I've been in this game for 10 years now, guys, doing self-development nonstop every single day on me, working on myself. You don't all of a sudden get the results of a millionaire. You have to program yourself and become a millionaire first in your mind, and then the external circumstances and results will come at some point. So I want you guys to realize that. So we're trading off lower time frames, looking for a very smooth trend. You can see that this is kind of choppy, but as we look here, like this is ideally what you guys would want to be seeing in the market. Something like this, like a very clear uptrend where it's making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. It's just going higher and higher. It's very easy to understand what's going on in this area right here, and that will give you the opportunity to take a trade. Now, what I want to go over with you guys next is you do want to be looking for the trend, which it looks like we have a nice uptrend forming right here. look at this. This is where we're going to bring in this indicator. Type in Lux, Algo, fair value gap right here. Get this indicator, guys. Once you do, you're going to make sure it's on. You can see it's off here. Now it's on here. And what this is, these fair value gaps are these little green rectangles. These are bullish fair value gaps right here. And then we actually have bearish fair value gaps like right here. Now, a fair value gap is my entry model that I use to take a trade. It's a 3 candlestick pattern. So we have 1, 2, 3 candles, and from the first candle's high to the third candle's low, it creates this rectangle. As we can see, we mark it up right here. And what we're overall looking for is after the third candle, usually the fourth, fifth, or sixth candle will retrade into that fair value gap and give us an entry. Now, it's completely opposite with the bearish fair value gap, 1, 2, 3 candles, but we want the fourth, fifth, or sixth candle to retrade into that fair value gap and give us an entry. This is literally the best entry model that I have found in the 10 years of my trading experience, and it works the freaking best. So if you guys use it, I'm going to tell you it's going to really help. But what you guys need to understand is it's going to take time to really understand the fair value gap more. Let me give you guys a very easy depiction to help you guys out. Okay, what you guys want to look for in the markets: lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. It's for a downtrend. Uptrend, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Now, the cool thing about this is when you guys can identify these trends, and it's very easy, what you now want to be looking for is as price is making these lower lows, you want to see a fair value gap be formed. Then you want to see the lower high retrade into the fair value gap and then push away. Same thing, we have this lower low, fair value gap would have formed in there, then the lower high would have hit it and then moved further down. Then we have higher highs and higher lows. As price is making higher highs, we want to see a fair value gap form. We have this higher high, fair value gaps form, and then the higher lows are retrading into it. So your lower highs and your higher lows are going to be where you guys are going to be taking a buy or sell depending on the trend. Are we in an uptrend or a downtrend? Once you guys can identify this, it makes it so easy. It's just you find the trend, then you find a fair value gap in the lower low or higher high, and then on that higher low or lower high, price retrades into the fair value gap. You get your entry and price is demolished, and price demolishes the previous higher high or previous lower low. So as it hits the fair value gap, dude, we want price to come and break this previous lower low. Or as it makes its higher high and a higher low, we want this next leg to extend on the higher high higher than it did on this previous higher high right here. That's it right there, guys. That's the sauce. If you guys apply what I just taught you in this video and you use it, dude, you guys will be killing it with your trading. Like I said, I do offer one-on-one help where me and you can get on a Zoom call and I will see your screen, I'll show you my screen, and we'll break down everything that you need to get to $10,000 a month trading within the next 3 to 6 months. So if you're serious, if you're dedicated, that's you, click the link below and book a call with me, and let's just chop it up and see if you're a good fit. Guys, see you on the next video. Peace. Not a lot of people made it to the end of the video, but you did. Make sure you share this video with a friend. Also, comment below. I want to know who you guys are and how I can help you guys out with your trading. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping weekly videos every single week on trading to help you guys out. Look forward to seeing you guys soon.